this down and build a better one, said the president in June last year upon seeing the old Kamuning Bridge and the Scout Borromeo EDSA junction and the steep climb to cross to the other side. Today, he came back with family in tow to see the new and improved bridge close to the MRT3 Kamuning station, and he liked what he saw. Our Kenneth Paciente has more.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. along with First Lady Liza Marcos and presidential son Vinny Marcos personally climbed the old footbridge dubbed as the Mount Kamuning Footbridge in Quezon City. The president said its design was not practical.
The old one is not very good at all. At saka, hindi mo ma-realize pag nandito ka sa baba, gumagalaw pala yan pagka may dumadaan. Kaya mas mabuti na ito. That's why the first time that we saw it, nung in-inspection namin yung MRT, ay sabi ko talagang hindi practical yung kanilang ginawa.
He said this is far different from the newly inspected footbridge, which is more spacious, has lower stairs, and is PWD friendly. The president added that this will bring great relief to commuters, especially since it is now connected to the MRT Kamuning station.
Kaya ngayon ay may pinagbago, naayos natin ito within 4 months. Ang pangako sa atin ay 6 na buwan, 4 na buwan pa lang ay tapos na. Kaya ngayon, mas mababa na ang akyatin na hagdan, tapos meron ng elevator para yung mga hindi kayang umakyat ng hagdan, meron pa tayong wheelchair lift na ginawa para sa yung mga naka-wheelchair. Pati wheelchair, they provided a wheelchair para mas magaan naman ang magiging commuting experience.
For Marman and Menet, this is a big relief for their daily use of the busway.
Mas mabilis, mas nakakadali yung pagbiyahe. Tsaka mas sa pasahero, mas hindi hassle talaga.
For us seniors, it has to be. I think it was really most for the seniors. That's why, but anyway, public can use it naman. But for us seniors, it is a big help for us. Palagay ko ito lahat ang ginawa ng presidente para lahat ng mga senior maka-avail and ma-enjoy nila ang amenities ng gobyerno.
But what will happen to the so-called Mount Kamuning?
Wala na yung Mount Kamuning. Hindi na tatanggalin na namin yung Mount Kamuning para tuloy-tuloy na dito na lang gagamitin.
The president also inspected the newly upgraded Kamuning EDSA busway station. From being just an open area before, there are now seats for passengers, a ticketing booth, and separate loading and unloading areas for a more orderly flow of commuters.
So the MRT and bus, 750,000 ang gumagamit ng everyday. Mapagaang lang ng kaunti ang kanilang mahirap na nga mag-commute, mahaba, mainit, kung ganun. Sabi ko dapat naman tugunan natin yung pang-araw-araw na dinadaanan ng ating mga kababayan para makapunta sa trabaho at para makauwi. At ito ay isang bahagi lang dyan. Ang susunod na ngayon dito ay titiyakin natin yung maintenance niyan lahat.
These are parts of the government's modernization of the EDSA busway system, one of the key programs aimed at providing a more comfortable and safer commute, especially along EDSA. A total of 87 million pesos was allocated for the project. According to the Department of Transportation or DOTR, similar projects are also being planned for other busway stations.
May 3 tayong inaayos ngayon at binubuksan dito naman sa Bagong Barrio, Balintawak at sa Guadalupe. By 3rd quarter of this year, matatapos din. It's the same template, ganito din, kaayos, kaganda.
Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.